Open the accessory box. Raise the presser foot, take out the bobbin. Put a thread spool to spool pin and a spool cap onto the spool pin. Pull the thread from the spool. Guide the thread through the thread guide. Thread the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winding shaft. Push bobbin spindle to right. Connecting machine to power source, turn on the sewing machine. Lower the presser foot and press the start button. Hold the end of the thread. Cut off excess thread. When winding is finished, cut the thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin into the bobbin case so that the thread runs counterclockwise. Pull the thread through the slot. Cut the thread with the built-in cutter. Reseat the transparent bobbin cover. Turn off the power before threading. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot to release the tension discs. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Leading thread down right channel and up left channel. Ensure the thread is behind the thread take-up. Lead the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Lower the presser foot. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release the lever. Pull the thread through the needle hole. Lay the thread to the under the presser foot. Turn the handwheel towards you, lowering then raising needle. Gently pull on the upper thread. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot. Turn on the sewing machine. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machine for a straight stitch. Press the start/stop button, the machine will start sewing. The speed limiting adjustment lever can control the sewing speed. To increases the sewing speed, slide the lever to the right. To decrease the sewing speed, slide the lever to the left. Press the reverse button, sewing machine will sew backwards in low speed. Press the start button to resume sewing. Cutting the thread. Set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Adjusting the different stitch width. Adjusting the different stitch length. By choosing the Stitch Pattern Switch button, you can switch to 180 different patterns. Press the button for about 3 seconds. To switch the mode to letter sewing or practical stitch sewing. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. It must be behind the holder on the buttonhole foot. Choose buttonhole stitch. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Turn power switch to off, before inserting or removing the needle. Raise the needle to its highest position. Remove the press foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot to prevent the needle from falling out. Release the needle set screw and remove the needle. Take out the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. When lint and/or dirt have built up, it may cause machine failures. Therefore, clean the machine frequently. Turn power switch to off. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Take out the bobbin case holder. Remove the needle plate by using L-shaped screwdriver. Clean the dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.